Hello everyone and welcome back to Sudden Wealth. If you do enjoy my content, please consider dropping that like and subscribe. It really helps the channel and I really appreciate it. Now I'd just like to speak a little bit more about what I mentioned around the psychology around crypto and why are these 4-year cycles so well defined, why if they are so well defined nobody pays attention to it, etc. Now, one thing I would like to say, me and you, we are retail investors, we are average people, but there are a lot of whales who behave just like us. The only difference is that they have much bigger bags. That's it. Take the example of Michael Saylor. Michael Saylor, who is now the god of Bitcoin, he said in 2013, Bitcoin is gonna fail like online gambling. That's what he said. Check his Twitter. That tweet is still up right now. And then 1,000x afterwards, because he said this when Bitcoin was around, if I'm not mistaken, around, well, below $100. So then he decided to buy it at $30,000. Congratulations, a very good decision. And the key question is, when you see Michael Saylor in, Elon Musk is on board, El Salvador is buying, who's left to buy? No one. So it's time for a dump, which is exactly what we had. 2021, people say, oh, Bitcoin 100,000, Bitcoin 200,000. Say, no. Ever since that Coinbase IPO big sell down, that should have been the top. But all these guys decided to buy a new top, 6% higher on leverage, and then it proceeded to go down right from there. Now, why are the cycles so defined? Because the space is still heavily dominated by people like you and me. There's not much institutional money. I know that the idea is to bring institutional money, to make the market more professional and legitimate, if you will, but it's still not the case. And what happens is you see the complete psychology of investors at play. So you have the big run-up, which means people start looking, oh my God, this crypto stuff, this is going up, 100 times, 50 times, 60 times, let me go all in. Then all of them start to go all in, so the chart goes like this. And then the smarter who bought around here start selling. And people are still buying the dip, but it keeps going down and down and down and down. And then you enter into the bear market. In the bear market, everything goes wrong. Doesn't matter what it is. Mt. Gox, the Ponzi scheme out of China, the Plus token, I believe, FTX goes bankrupt. It doesn't matter, everything starts going down. And people get so desperate that they sell. Then when there's some big event that happens negatively, there's a huge dump close to the lows, and then you see maximum fear. Article after article, documentaries about how crypto is a scam. Everybody's talking about how crypto is going to disappear. We need to ban it, blah, 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 blah. That's it, it's finished, never going to come back. That is the bottom. So most people got flushed out. And you can actually see the larger wallets are starting to buy around here. So then you have the recovery year. What is the recovery year? It starts to pump because the big whales or the big people with money are taking the advantage of this huge drop. So you have big rallies, but because people are so traumatized from the year before, they sell it aggressively. That is the year where we are today. You see it. We go up, we go down, but we always go up more than what we go down. So we keep climbing, but it's painful climbing. Then the next year is the start of the bull. The rallies are more prolonged, the drops are not so aggressive, and typically there's a new narrative that comes in. Bitcoin will replace gold. Bitcoin will be the reserve currency. Ethereum is going to be a supercomputer. Uniswap, decentralized exchanges. Ethereum again, smart contract. So somewhere, oh, this is gonna change everything. Blah blah blah. People start to get excited. The dumps are not so big. The green candles are higher and longer. People feel more confident. They put in more. Then, as people are starting to see 50x's, 30x's, 40x's, 20x's, 200x's their money, now people who don't know anything about crypto start to listen in and to become specialists of crypto in 10 minutes. And they buy with everything they have at the end. And you have this huge bull run. Coins with pictures of dogs, pictures of monkeys, JPEGs, pictures of cats. That was the previous cycle. Whatever it is, millions of dollars here, millions of dollars there. That's the top. CNBC starts putting Bitcoin all the time on the television. Boom, boom. You cannot turn on CNBC without hearing about Bitcoin. That's the top. We go down. We clean these latecomers that are not aware of the cycles, and we start the whole thing all over again. And crypto is the best performing asset class in the history of mankind. But when these things go down in the bear market, they go down 85%, 95%, 98%. Avalanche went down 99%. Ethereum went down 95%. Bitcoin went from $30 to $2. That's a 94% crash. But the price you pay for the best performing asset class in the history of mankind is called a volatility. And most people cannot stomach it. People who trade get annihilated. People that get rich, founders of coins or exchanges, holders. That's it. Are you going to outperform Ethereum's 14,000 times your money, 14,000 fold, 40,000x? Are you going to outperform Bitcoin 690 million% gains? Yeah, I don't think so. So that is my take on the, let's say, the psychology behind the crypto market, why you see certain patterns so defined. And we still have, I think, at least this cycle and probably another one for really to achieve generational wealth. But you need to be very careful. It's not as easy as it used to be. Oh, and believe me, by 2024, 2025, we're going to see another explosion of influencers who are going to come here with the sole purpose of annihilating you because they cannot make any money in the market. So I hope that by watching this channel, you get some tools to protect yourself against it. I don't give anybody financial advice, but I'm a transparent guy. And I really hope that you guys are not going to be part of the people that got killed at Celsius or killed at BlockFi or destroyed at, Voyager, you name it. And I hope that you guys are going to do very well, and hopefully you enjoy my journey with you. So that's it, guys, for today, and I'll see you in the next one.